Hi everybody, it's Matthew Lewis here. I'm a youth mentor from Cardiff Youth Service, and today I'm just going to be doing a short video of 5 stretches that you can do before you go to sleep. So the first stretch is called the overhead stretch, and all you're going to need is a tea towel. And what you want to do is just stand nice and straight, hold your hand straight out with the towel, and then just lift it over your head, nice and slow. Make sure you take your deep breaths whilst you're doing it. Like that. So the next stretch is called the bear hug. And all you need to do is just open your arms nice and wide, keep them nice and level. Then after you've got them out nice and wide, just bring them in for a nice self bear hug. So the next stretch is called the cat-cow pose. And all you want to do is get on your knees and on both hands. Keep your back nice and straight like this. Make sure that your hands are in line with your shoulders. And all you do then is just bring your back up, head nicely tucked in, and then your back down and your head out. So the next stretch is called knee to chest, and all you're doing is just grabbing your leg, keep it nicely straight out to start with, and bend it in slightly, put your hands behind your leg, and then just pull it towards your chest. And hold that in for 30 seconds, and do the same thing on the opposite leg. So the final stretch, all you want to do is get on your knees, place your bum at the back of your heels, like this, so your bum is touching the back of your feet or your heels. And then all you've got to do then is just come nicely down like this, stretch your arms out as far as you can, whilst trying to keep your bum on your heels, like this. And then once you've got a nice stretch with your arms and your back, bring your head down and hold this stretch for 30 seconds. So some final tips when you're doing the stretches. You can do them anywhere around the house. Ideally it'd be good to do them in your bedroom, obviously before you go to sleep. But if you can't do them in your bedroom, if you haven't got enough space, you can do them elsewhere around the house, as long as you're in a quiet and calm environment. If you haven't got a yoga mat, you can use a towel, just for when you're putting your hands and your knees on the floor. It's important to keep good form when you're doing the stretches, and to also take deep breaths throughout the stretches as well.